Okay, we are now going to look at difference of squares. We often call it difference of two squares, which we like to say dots. And we're not talking the ice cream, we're talking, the algebra. Oh no, I lost it. Let's see if it'll do. Let's just undo a bunch of stuff and see if it happens. Undo, undo. Oh no. Oh, you know what I did? I know exactly what I did. I'm just going to keep talking because why not? I will fix this, hopefully. Boom! Look at that. Genius. It's like magic. If only we actually were magic, we'd be in Hogwarts right now, and I'd be transforming myself into an air conditioner. Yes. So here we go. Difference of two squares. The very first thing you look at is x squared and 25. They are perfect squares, right? So here's what happens, and this is what drives me nuts about this. All of you guys, I shouldn't say all of you, many of you, because you just want to get a quick answer, you automatically think, oh, just take the square root of it and x minus 5. Yay, I'm done. Except no, 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 no. That would be a frowny face tear, right? A frowny face tear that makes me not happy. What ends up happening is, yes, you do ultimately take the square root of things, but what you're doing is you're taking the square root of this x squared, and it's going in two places. And you're taking the square root of this 25, and it's going in two places. So you got a 5 here and a 5 here, and then, of course, the magical plus minus. So your answer should be x plus 5 times x minus 5. And if you foiled it really quick in your head, first times first is x squared. Outer times outer is a negative 5x. Inner times inner is a positive 5x. So those cancel, and that leaves me then with my minus 25. That's what we have to do. It's not just a plain old x minus 5. Okay? Now, you have a couple of ways to do this next one. If you notice, you have a 4 here and you have a 36 here. Those are both perfect squares. So I'll do it that way. Let's do that real quick. And all you're going to do is you are going to take the square root of 4x squared, and it's going to two places. 4x squared, the square root of that is going to be a 2x, right? And 36, the square root of that is going to be, of course, a 6. And then, of course, you're going to do the plus minus, and that is one answer. The other thing that you could have done is you could have started with your 4x squared minus a 36. You could have factored out a 4, and you'll have x squared minus 9. And so then this will be a 4 times an x plus 3, x minus 3. Okay? It ultimately depends on what you're trying to do with the problem, whether or not you want to factor it just to factor it, or if you want to factor it to solve it. So either one will work for us for the time being.